Hi, I wanted to record a video today to promote the event that EB Beres and I are organizing Tuesday, which is called the Circle of the Open Hearts. And then on my way to the park, because I thought let's do it in the park, the sun went away, it came clouds and a lot of wind, and which is not so practical for recording. And I felt a lot of sadness. And I felt the sadness already earlier, and EB felt it, and we thought it had to do with us. And then we just talked now and realized it's collective. It's a collective deep sadness that is coming out from, we don't know yet exactly what it is, but I can imagine it's from all the difficult things we have been going through, all the painful stuff. And this is one of the things that we'll be discussing on Tuesday. How to understand what's going on, how to discover what our feelings are about, if it's about us personally or it's about collective, and to take a few of these specific feelings and go together in depth and share with each other our insights to help each other to connect the dots, to make more sense out of what's going on in the world, and ultimately to improve the quality of our lives, to be more happy, to be less sad, to be less frustrated, less angry, all those feelings that we actually don't like, but they're so present in our lives. So click the link below and have a look. If this video is not clear enough for you, you can read more, and we would love to have you join us. It's Tuesday evening, October 16th, starting at 6:30 at Hara Center in the middle of Bucharest. It's possible to park not so far away. It's easy access by walking. So just click the link and have a look, and most importantly, feel.